Imagine a telescope is so powerful that it could reveal the Big Bang really happened. Or if we are not alone in the universe, could there be a life on planet we have never seen? Could our understanding of physics, everything we know, be completely wrong? In the next few years, one space telescope might answer it all. And guess what? It's being launched by Elon Musk. This is not science fiction. This is NASA Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Let me tell you how this mission could change science forever. The telescope that might break physics. Back in 2013, NASA introduced a new telescope idea. Not just any telescope, this one could be 200 times more powerful than Hubble. It's called the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Why is this so important? Because this telescope might detect light from 13 billion light years away, that is almost back to the beginning of the universe. With it, we might discover the truth about dark energy, dark matter, and even question Einstein's theory of relativity. Sound insane, right? But not everyone supported this project at first. Rejected by Trump, saved by Congress. When NASA pitched his idea to the Trump administration, it was rejected twice. The reason? Budget cuts. But science lovers in the US Congress saw the potential. They not only approved the project but also increased its budget by 8%. That extra funding allowed NASA to add a second instrument to the telescope, the chronograph, a tool to detect planets outside our solar system. So a telescope meant for dark energy got a new mission: find exoplanets and maybe life. How this tech works? Let us break it down quickly. The telescope has two main instruments. First, wide field instrument like a super wide camera capturing giant chunk of the sky in the high detail. And second one is chronograph, blocks the starlight to see planets and their atmosphere. Hubble took 3 years to capture one deep field image. Roman telescope can do it in 90 minutes. That is crazy fast. This means it might tell us if the universe has a creator, if the Big Bang theory is correct, and if life is possible on faraway planets. Why it's named Nancy Grace Roman? This telescope named after Nancy Grace Roman, NASA's first female chief astronomer. In the 1960s, when few women were in science, she pushed NASA to send telescope into space. She fought for Hubble and helped build NASA's astronomy program. That is why she is called the mother of Hubble. Without her, we may have never captured the first black hole image or studied distant galaxies. Elon Musk's real role in all this? So, where does Elon Musk fit in? No, he did not build the telescope, but a SpaceX Falcon heavy rocket will launch it into space. NASA found that launching it themselves would cost over $1,30,000, but with Musk's reusable rocket, the cost dropped to just $24,000. That is 6 times cheaper. Plus, the telescope weight is similar to the Tesla Roadster that Musk launched into space. Coincidence? Maybe. Smart planning? Definitely. Final destination? Once launched, the telescope will head to the spot in a space called the L2 Lagrange point. Why L2? Because it's a perfect balance point between Earth and the Sun's gravity. No sunlight interference, no fuel needed to stay in place. It's a float there. It will float there peacefully, watching the deepest corner of the cosmos. With the Roman Space Telescope, we are entering a new space age. We might soon answer questions we have asked for centuries. How did the universe begin? Are we really alone? Is there another Earth out there? And while Elon Musk did not build it, he will help launch it. So next time you look up at the stars, remember the answer might already be on their way. If you love this video and want more amazing space stories in simple English, like, share and subscribe right now, and tell us in the comment, do you think aliens are real or are we truly alone?